Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jackie, and me and my husband Josh, we make videos of challenges and just vlogs and sometimes pranks. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn your post notifications on, which is the bell right next to it, so that you get notified every time we post. Now I know it's been a minute. As you guys know, we moved to Hawaii, so it's been taking a while to get situated, not only with all of our stuff, but also with like our jobs and stuff. And aside from the fact that like I'm super like pregnant now and I don't want to do anything, so just like a quick update on that. I'll be 7 months pregnant in about a week and a half. I turn a week every Saturday, so this Saturday I'll be 27 weeks, and then the next one I'll be 28, which is gonna be 7 months. So yeah, we're excited for that. Now today's video is gonna be on that famous Popeyes chicken sandwich that everyone is talking about, that people are beating each other up for, that Popeyes employees are probably going crazy, probably quitting their jobs for. So here we didn't get to try it like when it literally first came out, when it was like a limited time, like in the menu or whatever. But now apparently it's permanent, and when we found out about it, we were this is what happened. Hello?
You got them or what?
I'm in a line of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13 cars in front of me. So long story short, here when everyone was like, oh, I think it was November 2nd, like they were like, the Popeye sandwich is coming back November 2nd. First thing I did was I went to Popeyes, and there was like a big line, so I was like, oh my god, yeah, it's here. And then come to find out, we live on base, and I get there and they're like, oh, we don't get our shipment till like another 2 or 3 weeks. And I said, is it just on base or is it like all of the island? And they said like, no, Hawaii usually gets their shipments like late because like it's Hawaii. And I was like, oh my god, that's so lame. So when everyone got it November 2nd, Hawaii did not get it because of the whole shipment or whatever. I'm about to order. Just kidding. Come on, Chevy Cruise. It's about to go down.
Welcome to Popeyes. I'll be right with you.
Yes, ma'am. So here, like, fast food is very expensive. Like, even like fast food, they don't even have like dollar menus here. So here the chicken sandwich is $6 only. The combo is $10.50. When we first got here and I went to Burger King, they have like the 10 nuggets for like $1, I think. And I remember I got that and they were like $2.50, and I was like, wait, you charged me wrong. And they're like, it was on base, so they knew we were military. And they're like, no, we didn't charge you wrong. Welcome to Hawaii. I was like, oh great, no dollar menu.
Alright, thank you for waiting. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'm gonna have the number 7.
Okay, your side and your drink.
I'm gonna have coleslaw, and it's gonna be a Minute Maid.
Oh, okay, anything else for you today?
And then I'm also gonna have a number 8 with mashed potatoes.
Okay, and then your drink with that?
It's gonna be a Coke.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have an order of a large fry.
Okay.
And one apple pie.
Okay. Anything else for you today?
That's it.
Okay, so I got you down for one number 7, one number 8 with coleslaw, mashed potato, lemonade, Coke, large fries, and then a cinnamon apple pie.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, your total is gonna be $30.37. Thank you.
Thank you. See what I mean? $30 at Popeyes. That's like dinner at, I don't know. Where at? Oh, and the Mexican food here sucks. $30, guys. It's so expensive here. We're gonna go broke. Oh, well, yeah, because if the combos are $10, just the combos themselves are like $20. And then the large fry. And then my apple pie. The apple pie is not $1 here, guys. It's $2. Alright, guys, so here are the sandwiches. How do you know which one's spicy? Which one?
Finally get to try these. This is not spicy.
Okay. I'm honestly a little nervous because, like, there's so much hype about this, and it's like, I don't want to be disappointed.
This is the spicy one, I think. It's darker.
They put, like, a spicy sauce on it?
Some type of sauce on it. I don't even like pickles, but sandwiches, I'm gonna try it.
Sorry, I have a thing about checking that my chicken is done
Wasn't
before I
doing
bite anything.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. I can't even try it though because like there's like a big piece of chicken on this side. I'm gonna take this part off and then I'll eat that right now.
He was funny. He said the pickle tastes like chicken.
I didn't really taste the pickle, so let me get another bite. Give me a second. This is good.
It's pretty good, actually.
It's really good. I expected it to be dry because the chicken is like hella fat. Like cheap thick right here. I had to take out like this big piece because like I couldn't really bite the bun. So I was like, oh, it's supposed to be dry. And I'm an extra sauce person for everything. But this is actually really good. Now, would I be fighting over this? And doing all this extra stuff? Probably not.
Probably not.
Really good. Mine's really good. You didn't even let me try this spicy one, bro. You didn't even let me try the spicy one.
You give me the rest of yours. I'll give you the rest of mine.
No.
That's right. I'll give you the rest of mine.
No, it doesn't even have pickles anymore.
There's a pickle right there.
No, bro. Alright, Josh. Give us some feedback since you couldn't even let me try the spicy one.
Very good.
So I got the regular one. The regular one's pretty good. Now, what do you think? Chick-fil-A or Popeyes?
Pretty hard decision, actually.
Actually is. Okay, because Chick-fil-A, you can tell this is more unhealthy than Chick-fil-A. You can tell. But Chick-fil-A, when you put that Chick-fil-A sauce on the sandwich, it's so good.
Chick-fil-A with just ketchup.
I don't know. I guess it depends what I'm craving. Like, if I don't want to feel too much of a slob, probably Chick-fil-A. If I don't care, maybe Popeyes. I don't know.
It's very good though.
It's really good. Like,
No, I kind of don't care that they don't have Chick-fil-A out here because now I can just get that.
well, I love the tenders and the salad. So,
Get the
and
chicken
that
sandwich.
sauce.
It's very good actually.
It's really good.
Well,
And I'm pregnant, so my opinion counts a lot more than his.
yeah. Maybe it doesn't count because everything.
No,
everything.
that's not true. It's really good.
Alright. Is that conclude our review or what?
1 out of 10.
Huh?
1 out of 10.
It's a 1 out of 10?
No, rate it. What do you mean?
Okay. Because I was saying, like you said, 1 out of 10, as if like it was a 1 out of 10. I know what you
No,
meant.
rate it 1 out of 10. Give me some fries.
You
Rate
can
it.
throw after this is over.
Well, rate it. I'm waiting for you to rate it.
It's hard.
It's not hard. So, like, a 10 is... Wait, what's a 10? What would be a 10?
Before 10 was Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna have to give it a 10.
Honestly, I think I kind of like Popeyes better. I don't know why. Like, it's just... It's, like, so big, and then the bread is good. Like, the pickles are bomb. They're super thick. Like, the whole sandwich is thick, you know?
Yeah, I give it a... I think I gotta give it a 10. If Chick-fil-A's a 10...
Well, let's not compare it to Chick-fil-A. Let's just like a chicken sandwich. Like,
we gotta have something to compare it to. There's not a comparison. If it's
like the question is this the best chicken sandwich you've ever had?
I gotta compare it to Chick-fil-A. It's like I said, even.
I think I like this one better.
Well, there it is. Oh, look, it says classic or spicy right there.
Cause I don't need Chick-fil-A sauce for this one.
Well, because it's got sauce on it already.
I know, but the other
So
ones they have
Chick-fil-A?
mayonnaise. I had like Chick-fil-A sauce to it plus.
So what? It's better because Chick-fil-A doesn't add a sauce for you, or what?
Chick-fil-A does that. It has mayonnaise. Oh wait,
the
no, it
sauce.
doesn't. No, it doesn't. You have to put on it, right?
I said we said the sauce. You said
This is just mayonnaise. This isn't sauce.
that's not mayonnaise.
It is mayonnaise.
It
This one is.
would look like reddish type.
It's white. What do you mean?
Mine look reddish, maybe
Because it was
the
spicy. Probably like spicy mayonnaise or something.
Oh, there it is. Was that the end of it?
If you haven't tried the Popeye sandwich, you're gonna try it. It's bomb.
Well,
But
quite did because we're late because of why it gets stuff all late.
how many do you think you could eat? I'll probably eat like 3 maybe.
Can make a video. We'll buy 50.
Alright guys, well, I rated it a 10. So, anything else you wanna? Why are you putting so zooming on my fat butt? Pregnancy update. This is what
Time to
happens. Hold on, this is what happens when you eat too many Popeye sandwiches. You get fat.
Yep.
Alright, bye guys,
Bye-bye.
see you in the next one.